What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how much it costs to build a Nitrous 370z. I was debating on making this video outside, but it is so windy I just decided not to because there's going to be a bunch of wind noise, and I've had bad experiences with wind noises, and I'm just not going to do that. I have the whole entire list on my phone of how much everything cost me. Everything to exhaust, to fuel, to suspension, to the nitrous kit. I'm going to go ahead and include everything. The only thing I did not include is labor, because I feel like labor is different no matter where you live. And to be honest, I don't really remember how much I spent on labor. Bruh. If you find this video helpful at all, please leave a comment, like, and subscribe. It'll help out so much on the channel. If you want to see more racing content of the setup or just more build videos, just please leave a subscribe. It's completely free. It'll help me out so much. Thank you.
A few moments later.
I'm gonna go ahead and just start with the nitrous kit, because that's kind of seems what everyone really wants to know. The nitrous kit cost me, with the bottle included, is gonna be $549. That's gonna be everything you need, to the wiring, hoses, bottle, to the solenoids. It comes with everything you need, including the jets. So you're just gonna send them a message on DYNO, which is where I got the kit, what size shot you want to run, and then they'll go ahead and tell you you need to get these certain jets, and that's what I did. Next thing is gonna be the nitrous warmer, and what that does, it just warms up the bottle so that it's safe to spray. You know, it's good to go. That cost me $219. Next thing is gonna be the purge kit. It's a cool thing where it shoots out pretty much the gases. And you could see it. That's what everyone knows nitrous for, is for the purge. But that cost me $80. It was not much. I got that installed at RTA. Also, all the nitrous parts that I'm buying is going to be off the website DYNO. I'll go ahead and leave their link in the description below so you guys could see what you guys need from there. Next is going to be the nitrous RPM window switch. That's going to be the digital gauge, and what that does, it turns on and it turns off nitrous so that it's safe. Next is going to be spark plugs. Nitrous loves to eat spark plugs. I had the stock spark plugs on it for about a week. I did like 2 pulls on the plugs, and then my motor just freaked out and it started misfiring. So what I had to do was buy HKS spark plugs. They're pretty expensive spark plugs, but they do the job. Those cost me $141. Next is going to be the tune. The tune cost me to do the nitrous kit was $250 because I already was tuned. So if you were not tuned at all, the tune is going to cost you upwards of $900. So I went ahead and, when I added it up, I went ahead and did with tune already and without tune, so you'll be able to see how much it would cost with the tune or how much it would cost if you already had a tune. But the total cost was $250 for me to tune it, being already tuned. And then next is going to be the Jim Wolf Transmissions heavy duty clutch and flywheel. That cost me $484, and I feel like if you're going nitrous, you definitely need this clutch, because on the stock clutch, your clutch is going to definitely just blow up. It won't work. Just know that it won't work. So that's pretty much all you need to essentially run nitrous, is everything I already gone through. Nitrous kit with the bottle, nitrous warmer, purge kit, nitrous RPM window switch, HKS super spark plug, tune, and a Jim Wolf heavy duty or just any good clutch. But for all you guys that keep DMing me what I need to run nitrous, this is all you need. That is it. So now for the total, this is what everyone wants to know, is how much it costs you to go on a nitrous setup. So with just the nitrous setup, you're going to be paying $2,564. And the tune is, that's if you're already tuned, by the way. But if you are not tuned and you're getting tuned for the first time with the nitrous setup, you're going to be paying $3,239. Next is going to be the bolt-ons. For bolt-ons, I have admin intakes, which were $600. which are really expensive, but in my opinion it's worth it. They work really good. Also, to run E85, you're also going to need to run a bigger fuel pump. I did AEM 320 low pressure fuel pump, and that cost me $116. I also got the CJM fuel pump install kit, which I do highly recommend running E85, because E85 is going to eat the hose that comes with the non-E85 fuel pump, and trust me, it just keeps popping off. And when I went to the dyno, that hose just kept popping off, and it was a terrible experience. You'll be stuck everywhere. So just go ahead and get the fuel pump install kit. It'll come with the, like, it seems like a straw, but the thing is super strong. Like E85 is not going to eat it, and you'll be good. So that cost me $45. The ISR resonated test pipes, which were $200. ISR white pipe, which is $220. ISR single exit, which was $400. For suspension, I have a camera kit. I forgot what brand it is, but I do know it cost me $280 for the camera kit. And then for my coils, I run BC coils. They're not true. I didn't know about the true style coils that eliminates the bucket, but oh well, I just got the normal BC coils, and those cost me $1,000. A lot of money. When I found out how much everything cost me, it was just like, oh shoot. Next, obviously, I got my RPF1. The RPF1s, it's gonna cost around $1,500. Again, the size of my wheels are 18 10.5 plus 15 rear, and then 18 9.5 plus 15 on the front. And then next is the tires. I had DYNO NT 555 R in the rear, 305 35 18s, and those cost me $600 for just the rear. For the two back tires, I believe it's like $300 and something each. It's gonna be the front tires. I have Continental Extreme Contacts, which were about $250. Then I have the Nismo bumper, which I got a really good deal on. I got it for $250 on OfferUp. Found some guy in LA who was able to bring it to me for $250, same color as my car. And next, I got Nismo headlights, the blacked out ones. So I really wanted those because I really like the blacked out look, but it costs when you do them like custom, and like, you know how they get all foggy once you open them up. I did not want that. I hate that look. It looks all yellow and stuff. So I wanted to get the OEM blacked out headlight, which are super expensive. Brand new, you're looking at around $1,800 for these headlights. I was able to get them on eBay, which I had been looking for months, for $600. And then I also have GTR injectors. The GTR injectors I got on eBay for $250. Next, I got the CSC Delete for the transmission, and that cost $438. And then just for the bolt-ons and the wheel and tire, I paid $7,488 just for the bolt-ons in E85, wheels and tire, and coils. This came out to a total of $7,000 I spent on just bolt-ons and wheels and to lower it. Altogether, nitrous, bolt-ons, my whole car basically. If you wanted to copy my setup right now, it would cost you $10,052 total. Alrighty guys, so that's pretty much it. That's all the stuff that I have done to my car. The nitrous kit, the bolt-ons, and everything. You got the full cost of how much everything was, even with tune, without the tune, with nitrous and without nitrous. I gave you guys the prices for both. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, and if you found this video to be helpful at all, please leave a comment and let me know what is your favorite mod on my 370Z, and what mods do you plan on doing. Also, leave a like, and please guys, please subscribe. It'll help me out so much. It'll help grow the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in the next video.
I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop.